Welcome to Ireland, an island nation brimming with unforgettable experiences. From its bustling urban centers to its tranquil rural landscapes, every corner tells a story. Prepare to be captivated by its unique charm and rich heritage. Explore Dublin's vibrant streets, alive with history and modern energy. Wander through Galway's artistic lanes or Cork's culinary delights. Then escape to Ireland's charming villages where time seems to slow and warm welcomes await. Witness the breathtaking beauty of Ireland's dramatic coastlines. Feel the power of the Atlantic as it meets ancient cliffs. Journey inland to discover majestic castles, standing as timeless guardians of history and legend. Step into a cozy Irish pub, where laughter and conversation flow as freely as the stout. Immerse yourself in traditional music sessions, a true heartbeat of Irish culture. Experience the joy and energy of its renowned music festivals. Ireland offers an adventure for every traveler, from families seeking magic to solo explorers chasing discovery. It's a place where ancient myths blend seamlessly with contemporary life. Come, create your own unforgettable Irish story.